All right, hi guys, it's me, Mrs. McClure. Happy Wednesday. Today, we're going to look at our spelling words for this week. It is a short week because we did not have school on Monday, and I did not get a chance to record this and upload this for Tuesday, but that is okay. Today it is Wednesday, and we're going to look at our spelling words for the week. Our spelling words this week are words that have the short U, and we've been looking at the short U sound. So we're going to look at the short U sound in words in the middle of words. So our first word is, can you guess it? B-U-G. Bug. B-U-G. This is the word bug. Go ahead and get your dry erase board or your journal and write that word bug and spell it. B-U-G. Bug. The bug ran fast across the floor. Bug. Very good. Let's look at our next word. What do you think this word is? Good. This is the word hug. Did you notice we only changed the first letter and it changed the word? It went from bug to hug. Let's spell it. H-U-G. I can give you a hug when you're sad. Hug. Go ahead and write the word hug on your dry erase board. Great. Let's look at the next spelling word. Tug. T-ug. Tug. Like I can tug on the rope. T-ug. Tug. Go ahead and write the word tug on your dry erase board. Tug. Let's look at the next word. What do you think this one is? Try to read it. Dug. Very good. This is dug, like I dug a hole. So it's D-U-G spells the word D-ug. Dug. Dug. Go ahead and write that word dug on your dry erase board. Great. Let's look at the next one. This is a sight word. So this is going to be one of our spelling words this week. What is this word? To. Very good. Like I'm going to the movies. Let's spell it. T-O. To. And the last word. Do you remember this one? This is the word with. Like I'm going with my friend. And we know how to spell it because there's a song that goes with it. W-I-T-H spells with. Go ahead and write that word with on your dry erase board. So your assignment for me today is to write your spelling words and take a picture of it and send it to me so I can see that you're working on your spelling words. And let's go through them one more time. This is the word, what is this word? With. Very good. What is this word? The word to. What is this one? Dug. D-U-G. Dug. Tug. T-U-G. Tug. Hug. H-U-G. Hug. Very good. And bug. B-U-G. Bug. So these are our spelling words for this week.